And Pranay left his car and went away for 12 days.
Yeah, also I have
His
just
brand new
left
car.
my car for 12 days to keep with him, and he has kept my car very well, and it was just a one-day delivered car, and yeah, so I am pretty much happy with him. Saw Ankit's video in YouTube, and probably I was looking for a good detailer, and I got to know about Ankit through YouTube, and I just saw that the quality is nice. People can come and check it out. Like, the finish is very good, and yeah, car is looking quite good.
So today we've gotten the Seltos X-Line with us for the installation of the matte PPF on it. Now, everyone who has a matte car out there, you have to be really careful with how you maintain it, because matte cars, if not maintained well, can look really bad, because even one wrong wipe with a cloth that dirty can pretty much scratch the paint. And there is no paint correction like you have in gloss cars, which can only be done with matte cars. So if you've got a matte car, always ensure that you get it done with PPF at the earliest. Directly out of the showroom would be ideal, so that you can maintain the matte and there's no damage onto the paint, because maintaining a matte without PPF is extremely difficult. You have to be really careful. And when despite that, you could be driving on the road, someone could scratch the car, or you could get stone chips, and that would show up, especially on darker colors. It would show up a lot. So always ensure that you have a matte PPF installed onto the car to protect it. It could be for 5 years, 8 years, depending on which film you're taking. And one of the first steps that we do is a good decontamination wash on the car with clay, because we can't do paint correction here. So we have to pretty much smoothen out the entire paint onto the car. And then after that is when we go into the installation of the PPF. So now one of the next processes that is a very important process is to open up the parts that we need to in order to tuck in the PPF under all the parts. Now, whether it's the door handles, we need to open up that. People say, "Ab kyun khol rahe ho door handle?" Door handle kholna padta hai taki we don't need to cut around the door handle, and the entire sheet will get placed on the full door. आप डोर हैंडल निकाल के बिना भी आप पीपीएफ लगा सकते हो, बट फिर आपको काटना पड़ेगा, एंड कटिंग वुड नॉट रियली बी एक्यूरेट, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट्स बीन डन बाय हैंड. सो व्हेन यू आर कटिंग अराउंड इट, it could look a little bit off. So in order to not make the PPF visible at all, we take out the handles and then install it on the full door. Then after that, you put the handles back on top. Another reason why we take it out is because अगर PPF को handles के ऊपर काट दिया, later on there's a little gap between the paint and the PPF, and वहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा मिट्टी इकट्ठा हो सकती है, which will look really bad. So always ensure that the handles are removed and done. If you want a clean job done, we don't end up touching any of the engine part. लोग बोलते हैं पूरी गाड़ी खोल रही हो PPF करने के लिए. Nothing is required. In the front also, we don't even remove the headlights. Let me show you all the parts that we actually need to remove. Come. So like you can see, the entire weather beading we have taken off here, the rubber beading, so that the film can come inside here and then get cut, and we install the beading back onto it. This is a rubberized part. It has no effect on any of the mechanical or electronic parts of the car. So it's better to remove it, tuck the PPF here, and then install it back, so you can't see the edge of that. Now, the handles, as you can see it, if we place the sheet on top and cut it, you won't really get an accurate entire cut, and you'll see the outline where the PPF is cut. So always ensure handles are removed, full sheet is placed, and then after that you install it back, so you can't even make out there is PPF installed onto it. Apart from that, the weather strips and the handles on this side, nothing else opens up. At the top, we just remove the plastic roof rails which are on the edge. Again, not an electronic or mechanical part, so you can easily remove it. It's just on bolts. So that covers the side on what we remove. So now at the rear, as you can see, the only things we pretty much remove are the tail light, and that's also on 2 bolts. All you have to do is disconnect one coupler and the entire tail light comes out. There's nothing else that we need to remove anywhere behind. In the front, we didn't remove anything. On the side, it's just the weather strips and the handlebars. So, अगर कोई बोल रहा है पूरी गाड़ी खोलनी पड़ेगी, next time show them this video and tell them सिर्फ इतना ही खोलना पड़ता है. So let's get started with the removal process. So like you've seen, we've showed you from the start, the first process that gets done, the decontamination wash, to the installation And a very important process with matte PPF or irrespective of whatever PPF is the tuck-in that should be done properly. So you can't make out anywhere. Like if you look at the car right now from when it came in, you can't really make out that there is PPF on the car. That is what really determines how good the PPF installation is, so that you don't see the lines anywhere.
Yeah.
But anyways, Van, you tell us about the X-Line experience that you had with us.
So like the day I got the car, I decided to get a matte PPF done because I am pretty much sure that if I won't get it done, then it would create a problem in my paint. So that's the reason I got a matte PPF, and I saw Ankit's video in YouTube, and probably I was looking for a good detailer, and I got to know about Ankit through YouTube, and I just saw that the quality is nice, and I got a trust that there would be no problems, as he has done at least 2 or 3 similar sort of car
A lot
with
of
a
them,
matte
actually.
PPF.
2 or 3 videos there, there's more than that.
Yeah, so the same Seltos X-Line PPF he has done a lot. So I thought, let's give it a try, and it came out pretty much well. I can see my car is looking very good.
And Pranay left his car and went away for 12 days.
Yeah, also I have
His
just
brand new
left
car.
my car for 12 days to keep with him, and he has kept my car very well, and it was just a one-day delivered car, and yeah, so I am pretty much happy with him.
Thank you. So आज ऐसे लग रहा है हमारी नई गाड़ी जा रही है.
Yeah,
So they've had it for so many days now.
it's kind of a second delivery which I am having right now.
So yeah, would you recommend everyone to get it?
Yeah,
done or not?
sure. Like people can come and check it out. Like the finish is very good, and yeah, car is looking quite good.
Thank you, Bart. We hope you maintain it now.
Yeah,
So what we've given you, we hope to see it maintained like this.
Yeah, I will try my best to
Thank you.
keep it
Thank you.
like this.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.